So, beta, we are doing chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is all about teeth. Clear? We are doing all about teeth. Now in the chat box, write down 2 sets of the teeth. Name the 2 sets of teeth. We will recapitulate this topic first, then we will do the back exercise and we will learn to draw the different types of teeth also. Clear? So, you have to keep your notebook, your pencil box, your book along with you. Yes, permanent teeth, and second one is temporary teeth. What is another name of temporary teeth? Very good answers. Baby teeth. Okay, baby teeth are called temporary teeth, or another name is also there, milk teeth. Very good. Okay, milk teeth, baby teeth, or temporary teeth, and permanent teeth. And then what do you know the number of teeth in the temporary set of teeth? What is the number of teeth? 20. Very good. Quick answers are there. Very good, class. 20 teeth are there in the temporary set of teeth, and after that, when you get the permanent teeth, then how many teeth are there in the set of permanent teeth? 32. Okay, we have 32 teeth in permanent set of teeth, and in case of temporary teeth, we have 20 teeth. Can you tell me the number of molars in case of permanent teeth? How many molars are there? 12. Very good answer. Suzanne, Vivek, 4. No, Vivek. Dhruv is good. Yes, many of you are answering correct, but a few students have written 4. It's not 4. Okay, it's 6 in each jaw, and total number of molars 12. Clear? Now you have to match the columns. First of all, incisors. 4 types of teeth are there: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. You have to match. First, incisors. Clear? Vinay, unmute yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, do the matching. First one only you have to match. Incisors को किसके साथ match करोगे? Look all the
Ma'am, 2 in each jaw.
incisors 2 in each jaw? No, बेटा. Incisors पहले मुझे बताओ होते कौन से teeth हैं? फ्रंट वाले होते हैं कि साइड पे होते हैं वो? Incisors कहाँ पे होते हैं? Yes, Arnav, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, incisors are in the front of our teeth. They do the work of holding, biting, and cutting. They are 4 in each jaw.
Very good, very good. Incisors are front teeth जो दिखते हैं, होते हैं ना, जैसे रैबिट के भी फ्रंट पे 2 टीथ दिखते हैं, ऐसे ही आपके भी जब आप स्माइल देते हो तो सबसे पहले जो सामने दिखती हैं वो इंसाइजर्स हैं. आप जब बाइट करते हो तो यूज दीज टीथ. ऐसे बाइट करते हो ना तो फ्रंट वाले टीथ ही यूज करते हो. दे आर इंसाइजर्स. दे आर यूज्ड फॉर कटिंग एंड बाइटिंग. कुछ होल्ड करना होता है जैसे तो भी आप यही चीज यूज करते हो, ये वाले टीथ यूज करते हो. वेरी गुड. ऑल ऑफ यू आर आंसरिंग करेक्ट. C is to match with first. Incisors are used for cutting and biting. Yes. Next, canines. Canines. Suzanne, answer it. Beta, unmute yourself, Suzanne.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, do the matching of canines in the B column. Don't put pencil, Arnav, don't put pencil in the mouth. Yes, canines. You have to match. Try it. Wrong हो गया, no problem बेटा. Try it first. Canines are हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए. आपने फिर अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिया. Yes.
Ma'am, D.
D. Good. 2 in each jaw. Total canines are 4. 2 in each jaw. They are present on each side of the incisors. Incisors 4 होते हैं. Incisors के एक इधर side होता है canine, एक दूसरी side. And their function is to tear the food. To tear the food. Okay. Now next is premolars. Third one is, who is this? Beta, you have not written your name, तो हम आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं ले पाएंगे like this. Rakshit, unmute yourself. Beta, do the matching of.
Ma'am, premolars.
Your voice is not clear. Mute yourself. Yes, beta, your voice is not clear, so don't unmute yourself. Yes, premolars. Yes, all of you are answering in the chat box. Yes, who will answer? Sorish. Unmute yourself, Sorish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Premolars को बेटा मैच करो. Premolars.
Ma'am, D12.
Yes. Premolars.
D. Ma'am, D.
D तो ऑलरेडी हो. D तो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. D तो हमने कर लिया. D is already done बेटा. D तो हमने कर लिया था. Canines के साथ premolars बोलो. Premolars are 4 in each jaw. Total 8 होती हैं. 4 in each jaw. That's why मैंने incisors भी 8 होती हैं. That's why मैंने incisors के लिए नई ऑप्शन नंबर वाली रखी. इसलिए मैंने उसका फंक्शन की ऑप्शन रखी है. Because incisors and premolars both are 4 in each jaw. Total number 8. Okay beta. And last one, molars, they are 12. 6 in each jaw. और वो लास्ट पे होते हैं. ओके, जो हमारे कॉर्नर पे होते हैं टीथ, they are molars. They are used for chewing the food, for grinding the food into pieces. Okay, after grinding, we swallow the food. So we have 4 types of teeth. Write down in the chat box all types of teeth. They are, yes, first one, front wale, 4 in each jaw. Yes, incisors, canines, molars and premolars. Clear? Now you are looking at one tooth on the screen. आपको screen पे एक tooth दिख रहा है. You have to name it. आप इसको पहचानो और इसको बताओ. इसकी shape देखो आप कि वो flat है, pointed है, broad है कि broader है. Then you have to write. Very good. Mankaran, good answer. Mihir, yes. Good answer. Niti, Himank, very good. All of you are writing good answers. It is canine. How can you say it is canine? Canine क्यों बोला आपने? Because it has pointed surface. इसका जो outer surface है, it is pointed. It is pointed, so it is used for tearing the food. Tear करते ना हम साइड, कुछ भी tear करना हम फ्रंट से नहीं करते. फ्रंट से बाइट लेते हैं, थोड़ा साइड जाके हम tearing करते हैं. Because our canines are Pointed. They help to tear the food. Clear? How many canines are there each jaw? They are 2 in each jaw. Total number of canines 4. Some students are very good. They are participating. They are writing answers in the chat box, but some of you are not writing. Beta, मैं chat भी record करती हूँ. After the class, I check that who has participated or some of you are not participating. Okay, I'll come to know. तो आपके जो सब्जेक्ट इनरिचमेंट के मार्क्स लगते हैं ना, तो इफ यू आर नॉट एक्टिव तो मार्क्स कम हो जाएंगे आपके. डजंट मैटर, ओके, डज कि आपका राइट हो रहा है रॉन्ग हो रहा है, बट यू शुड राइट द आंसर. वेरी गुड क्लास. यस, नाउ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. Recognize this teeth. Recognize this teeth. Look at a structure carefully. Yes. Then you can say which type, which teeth is there. Or smaller. How can you say smaller? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक ने मोलर लिखा सभी मोलर लिखने लग पड़ोगे. जिसने सबसे पहले लिखा वो रॉन्ग भी हो सकता है. यूज योर ओन कॉमन सेंस. ओके, यस, इट इज इंसाइजर. सभी प्री मोलर और मोलर लिख रहे हैं. इट इज इंसाइजर एंड इट इज यूज्ड फॉर कटिंग एंड बाइटिंग द टीथ. Now Gurman, Dipansha, they have written the right answer, but spelling is not correct. Anhad, correct the spelling beta. Clear? Yes. Then, yes, now you are writing the correct answer, but some students are not writing correct spelling. Yes, it is INCISOR. COR नहीं होता बेटा, SOR. Incisors. Now see the next one. Look at this. Now recognize this. Is it molar or premolar? Is it molar or premolar? And write down its function also. It is. Some are writing molars and some are writing premolars. It is premolar. Clear? And it is used for crushing the food. Cracking and crushing. कुछ क्रैक करना है, तोड़ना है, तो हम यहाँ पे जो premolars हैं वो यूज करते हैं. Very next to canines. Canines के बाद दोनों साइड पे दो premolars होते हैं, ऊपर भी और नीचे भी. हमारे दोनों जॉस में जो नंबर ऑफ टीथ एंड दे आर एग्जैक्ट द नंबर ऑफ द नंबर इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम. अपर जॉ एंड लोअर जॉ दोनों में सेम ही होता है. ओके, दे आर यूज्ड फॉर क्रैकिंग एंड क्रशिंग एंड इट इज प्रीमोलर. दिस इज मोलर. मोलर इज ब्रॉडर, इवन ब्रॉडर देन द प्रीमोलर्स, and they are used for grinding the food. अब आपको क्लियर हो गया? Is it clear बेटा? Okay. So show me your thumbs up. Yes. Now get ready to draw. Yes बेटा. ईशान, आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ? आप thumbs up नहीं दिखा रहे हो? Yes. Hemang, is it clear? So now open your notebook, sit properly, take out your pencil and eraser. We are going to draw this. Okay, we are going to draw the teeth. First of all, take out your pencil, sidewise आप draw भी करोगे and आप कलरिंग नहीं करोगे. पहले आप ओनली ड्रॉ करोगे लाइट सा. अगर आपको इरेज भी करना पड़ा तो नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द this teeth. Okay, इसमें जो lower part है that is root. Root is inside the gum. Root is inside the gum. Like this. Okay, जो upper part है, it is white in color. This is the crown and this part is the root. And you have to name it. What is the name of this tooth? Show me your notebooks. Show me that you are drawing sidewise. All of you show the notebooks. Yes, some of you are not showing better. Show me the notebook. Yes, good. Very good. Okay, after drawing फिर से मैंने आपको चेक करना है कि if you are drawing or not and turn the video on. आपकी वीडियोस भी ऑन होने चाहिए. Yes. So this is canine because it is pointed. And canine is used for tearing. तो आपने साथ में ब्रैकेट में इसका फंक्शन भी लिख देना. Is it clear to you? Is it visible? Visible है बेटा? Sukhjit ma'am, you can unmute yourself, ma'am, and please tell me the teeth is visible. Visible.
Kanji and is visible.
Okay. This is canine. Root part में आप color shade कर सकते हो with pencil or with crayon. This part should be white. And next, I am going to draw the yes, which teeth is this? This is the incisor. This is the incisor. Yes, you can write in the chat box what is the function of incisors. Function of incisors is, yes, good. It is used for biting. It is used for biting and cutting the food. It is used for biting and cutting the food. Draw it first. Okay, this part should be white. अगर आपके पास white color नहीं है तो you can remain it as it is. Or if you have white color, you can paint. Clear? The lower part हल्का सा skin color आप कर सकते हो to show the root part. Now next is the, I'm going to draw the yes, this is premolar. This is premolar is cracking and crushing the food. Cracking and crushing the food. It is the function of premolars. Okay. I'll send you the PDF. Okay, which will include the structure of the teeth. But if you have drawn in the class, then need not to draw it again. आपने दोबारा इसको नहीं करना draw. Okay, once you have to draw it. Okay, now next one I am going to draw, that is okay, these are the molars. These are molars, and write down the function of molars. Molars का function लिखो बेटा. What is molar used for? Write it in the chat box. Yes, molars. थोड़ा सा मैं अब नीचे कर रही हूँ to show the molar. Clear? Molar is used. It is used for grinding. It is used for grinding and chewing the food. ये grinding और chewing के लिए यूज होता है. And they are even broader than the premolars. The premolars से भी ज़्यादा broad होते हैं. Clear? So these are the different types of teeth. आपने इनको properly बनाना है, proper shape देनी है आपने. So molars, canines. Clear? Canines, incisors, premolars and molars. Clear? So I'll send the PDF also. अगर आपका थोड़ा सा part रह गया तो no problem. You can do it with the help of PDF also. And hope it is done. Clear? Yes, beta. Now open your books. Take out your books. Let's do the back exercise. If anything left, then you can do with the help of PDF also. Show me if you have drawn. Yes. Ishanpreet, show me what you have drawn. Show me the notebook. Notebook, beta, notebook. Very good. Yes, good. Yes, good. Many of you have drawn. It's good. Okay. Then after that, take out your book, beta. Open it, page number 18. Back exercise. First of all, answer choice questions. And it goes, which is the hardest substance in the body?